Hi, section leaders. This is Susan Pittman from the National Office in Rockville, Maryland, and I wanted to run you through how to access the section leadership documents in our database called MemberClicks. So when you go to the ACD website and click Members and log in, you should see something that looks a little bit like this. It should have your name and your section, welcome to the members only area. You'll see some reminders and announcements on the right. If you haven't paid your dues, you can click here and click to pay your dues. But for today, what we really want to look at is my profile. Once you get to my profile, you can see all of the different pieces of information that we have for you. This is my test account, so it's got just a few odds and ends in here. But you can certainly customize yours as much as possible. For your section leadership committee documents, my features, and then click on committees. And some of you might have your section as a committee, but the one you want is section leadership committee. And you can see here now that I've clicked on it that Dr. Haynes, she sent a message back in 2022. So we can take a look at what she sent. And she did this by going to members. And here are all the members. Oh, Dr. Singer's in here twice. We'll have to fix that. But this is where you can see all the other section leaders across the country and Canada. And the files, these are files that you might need or find useful. So the section timeline, we put that in the hard copy mailing we just sent to you. For 2023, there's a list of all the fellows sorted for you for 15, 25, and 50-year pins. So you can click it, it'll download, and then you open it, and there they are. You can see they're down here by section. Yes. And I hope you could see that. It might have opened in a different window for the screen share. If you need to update your section bylaws, the review cover sheet is there. All the things you might find helpful are here. And if there's something that you think would be helpful and you don't see, please let me know. You can email me at Susan, S-U-Z-A-N, Susan with a Z, at acd.org, or call the office at 301-977-3223. And our official hours are Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. But you can usually catch me a little bit before and a little bit after that. So please call if you need something or shoot me an email. Anyway, I hope you found this helpful, and I'm always happy to answer any questions you might have.